Are you and your fingers ready to count? Let's begin. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Yay, that is correct. Let's go to the next one, shall we? 0 plus 2 equals what number? 2. Awesome work. Let's go to the next one, shall we? 0 plus 3 equals 3. Great job. Now, can you tell me what 0 plus 4 is? 4. Awesome. Let's go to the next one, shall we? 0 plus 5 equals 5. Nice. What is 0 plus 6 equal to? 6. Awesome. What is 0 plus 7? 7 is the correct answer. What is 0 plus 8? 8. Keep up the good work. What is 0 plus 9 equal to? 9? Great stuff. This is a bit tricky. What is 0 plus 10? 10. You have done it.